Hey my crafty peeps, it's Randy. I am here to do an unboxing for you today. We are going to do an unboxing of Ines Guerrero's Artemisa. So let's get this opened up. And I'll show you what's inside. I hope you guys are having a great day. I don't think too many people have unboxed this. I know Mrs. Coffee did. I'm not sure about how many others have though. So I wanted to give you guys a little peek inside the box. So basically you have your diamond painting. You've got a small sticker, and I usually put the small sticker on the side of the box. So it's Artemisa. And she is 56 centimeters by 104 centimeters, so she's pretty big, she's long. The diamond shape is square, and you have 31 colors. Make sure you can see all that. It's an interesting picture, I really like it. As per any Diamond Art Club kit, you get your little starter kit here. So if you've never done diamond painting before, you get tweezers in a square kit, and they are incredibly sharp, so be careful. I usually keep them in the little sleeve there. Diamond painting pen with a squishy to go on it. I won't stick it on there, but it's to cushion your hand. And then you get some baggies. You get a 4-placer. You get 2 pads of wax and a little tray. So you are set to go there. Let's open this up. Oh, and I almost forgot to show you. It looks like, by looking at the sticker here, you've only got one AB, and that's the 141. It's kind of the off-white looking AB. So we'll go over that in just a minute. Let's get this big old painting out of here. I think I messed up the plastic there. Let's make sure I can get this out. All right. So, let's get all the drills out first. Instruction book. And this is poured glue, so what I'm going to do is just roll it back on itself. It just kind of smooths it out a little bit. Poured glue is very resilient. You can roll it, you can do all that good stuff, and just smooth it out. Sorry about my struggle here, guys. All right, I did want to show you in the top left corner and the bottom right corner, you can see the schematics down here. So you can see all of your symbols. I typically just use my sticker sheet and use these on containers, so I don't really need the schematics so much, but some people really rely on them and love it. And especially if you're rolling your canvas up, because it is so long, if you roll this part up, then you'll still have it at the top, or vice versa. So she is so beautiful. Wow, this is just amazing. I was on the fence about getting it. I didn't really know if I wanted to get it or not, and I'm glad I did. I think it's gonna be beautiful. Let me pull this up here so you can see the drill field. It looks really good. Let's put it on this part right here so you can see. Everything looks great, very clear. I'll even go up to where her face is. It all looks really good. Before I forget to, guys, I just wanted to show you, this is a set of step-by-step instructions if you've never diamond painted before. It also has a coupon code in there. Usually if you get a packing slip, which I did not this time, it will have a code on there. Your box will also have a code that you can scan for 10% off. And down on the bottom of your canvas, it will also have a discount code for you. So definitely look out for that. Let's flip her over. Let's look at the drills. There are a bunch of drills in here. I'm sure a lot of them are just going to be dark colors and probably a bunch of 310s. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. All right. So many strips of drills we've got here. All right, let's go through this one first. I see the ABs and there are not a whole lot, so we'll go through the smaller ones first. So we've got 154, 762, 939, 356, 3787, 838, 3778, 3777, 414, 415, 317, 963, that's a pretty color, 413, 3799, 818, 3033, 318, 645, and there's our AB, 141. Anything that's under 150 is a Diamond Art Club AB. It stands for Aurora Borealis, which just means that the drills have a special coating over the top, as you can see, that gives it that iridescent look. So it just brings out the colors of the drills around it a little bit brighter, and it gives it a little bit of shimmer to it. So there's our one AB that we have, and you can see it's a small bag, so you're not going to get a lot of ABs in the painting. And there's 844. So that's the small strip. Looks like we have a lot of 310s. So we've got 3 bags of 310. We've got, my goodness, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 bags of 310s. That's crazy. So 12 bags of 310s. We've got 2 bags of 3371, which is like a chocolatey brown. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 938. We have 3 bags of 3860. And then we've got, sorry about all the crinkle, guys. If you don't like it, what's wrong with you? We got 647, 646, 3864, 648. We've actually got 2 bags of 648. We've got 3 bags of 3861, 3024. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 779. And then we've got some more 3371. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 3371. Did you have some of those over here too? 3371. Yes. So we've got the 2 bags that I showed you before, as well as the 6 bags that are on this strip. Let's flip her back over and see where all of the ABs go, or I should say the small amount of ABs. The AB number was 141, and that's going to be the number 1 on the canvas. All right, guys, so let's look and see where all of the ABs are. So we've got a few sprinkled over here. We have quite a few, probably the most, sprinkled in this little section at the very top. There are some in the antlers here. There are quite a few through these areas. A little bit there. There are quite a few sprinkled in this little section and right through here. You've got just a couple over in this corner. Some down here and here. She doesn't have any on her face or in her eyes. Let's move this so I can make sure you can see everything. We've got just a couple down here. And we've got just a few in the heart right here, sort of in that top left corner. Make sure you can see everything. Sorry guys, she's a long canvas. She's a long one. Is that in there? Yeah, okay. You've got just a few more down here. And in the wolf's eyes. And just a few sprinkled throughout here. And that's about it. There are not very many over there. So really, those are all of the ABs for this canvas. All right, guys, so here is the full canvas. Like I said, she's a long one, so you can see all the way from the bottom up to the tip top of her antlers. She's got that beautiful wolf down there and all of her long flowing hair with her antlers at the top. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that I did a good job for you. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up. And also down in the bottom right-hand corner, there is a subscribe button. So please hit that and hit the bell to be notified anytime that I put up future videos. Take care of yourselves, and until next time, bye.